Why did you bring me out here? This is madness.
Just listen to me. I know exactly what I'm doing.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic videos like movie scenes using AI. These types of videos look very professional, but the good news is that you can create them very easily with the help of a powerful tool called Filmora 15. If you also want to create cinematic AI videos like these, it's very simple. Just click the link in the description and download the Filmora 15 software. After downloading the software, install it on your computer. Once the installation is complete, open the software. When the software opens, you will see different options such as New Project, AI Image, AI Copywriting, AI Extend, and many more powerful tools. To get started, I will click on the New Project button. After clicking it, the main editing interface will appear. Here you can normally import your videos and start editing them. But in this video, we will create our cinematic scene using AI. So I will go to the Stock Media section, and here you will find an option called AI Media. Inside the AI Media section, you will see many AI features such as Video Inspiration, Image to Video, Text to Video, Video Extend, AI Image, and several other tools. First, I will start with the AI Image feature. With this feature, we can generate cinematic images just by typing a prompt. You can either type your prompt normally, or you can upload a reference image if you want to keep the same character in every scene. This helps create a consistent character across multiple images. So first, I will upload my reference character image, then I will enter a prompt. For example, I will type a prompt like a cinematic wide shot of a young man walking alone on a quiet road during sunset, dramatic lighting, movie style. After entering the prompt, I will select the aspect ratio. For this example, I will select the YouTube aspect ratio. Then I will click on the Generate button. Now the AI will start generating the image. We just need to wait for a few seconds. And here you can see the image is ready. The AI has generated a cinematic image using my reference character. Now I will generate the second scene. Again, I will upload the same character reference image to keep the character consistent. Then I will paste a new prompt. For example, a cinematic scene where a black luxury car suddenly stops beside a man walking on a quiet road, dramatic lighting, movie style. After a few seconds, you can see the second image is also ready. Now, I will create the third scene. Again, a cinematic scene of a man wearing a black suit stepping out of a luxury car, powerful and mysterious mood, movie lighting. I will click Generate. And after a short wait, the third image is ready. Now, for the last scene, I want both characters talking to each other. So I will enter a prompt like a cinematic scene where a man in a black suit is talking to the young man on the roadside. Dramatic sunset lighting, movie style. So now all of our cinematic images are ready. The next step is to convert these images into a video to create a full cinematic scene. For this, I will go to the Image to Video section. Inside this section, you can choose different AI models. Here we have options like Google Veo 3.1, Sora 2, and more. For this example, I will select Google Veo 3.1. Then I will upload one of the generated images as a reference. For example, the image where the man is walking on the road. Next, I will enter a prompt describing the motion in the video. Then I will select the aspect ratio, set the duration to 8 seconds, and choose 1080p resolution. Finally, I will click on the Generate button. Now, the AI will start processing the video. This may take a little time, so we just need to wait patiently. And after a short while, our AI-generated cinematic video is ready. The image has been turned into a cinematic video scene, just like a movie shot. Next, let's move on to the next step and generate another video scene. For this example, I want to create the second part of the cinematic story. So first, I will upload another image. This time, I will upload the image where the luxury car stops beside the man on the road. After uploading the image, I will enter a prompt to describe how I want this scene to move in the video. The prompt helps the AI understand what type of motion or action we want in the scene. In the same way, you can repeat this process for the other images as well.
Why did you bring me out here? This is madness.
Just listen to me. I know exactly what I'm doing.
To create a full cinematic sequence and combine all the scenes together in the timeline to make a complete movie-style video. Once you complete all the steps and generate all the video scenes, the next step is very simple. You just need to drag and add all the generated videos onto the timeline. After adding the clips to the timeline, you can arrange them in the correct order to create your full cinematic story. If you want, you can also make your video more interesting by adding animations, transitions, effects, speed adjustments, audio, and color settings. These tools will help make your video look more professional and engaging. Once everything looks good, simply click on the export button. Then choose your video resolution and save the final video to your computer. So, as you can see, creating cinematic AI videos like this is very easy with Filmora 15. If you want to try it yourself, you can find the download link in the description below. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.